So hello everyone, I hope you all are enjoying my daily readings. As I keep saying, like it, leave a comment how you feel it is resonating, how you feel the readings are going, and let me know what is the different things you want me to bring. I would love to bring things that you want me to bring. Now again, you see this image belongs to card 1, the set 1. I don't know how many cards I'm going to pull out from each today. Is it going to be 1? Is it going to be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5? But this is card 1. This is card 2. Alright? Right? So first we will see what this card tells. Today you will start your day by saying this. I shine my light outwards for all to see. Okay? I repeat, I shine my light outwards for all to see. Now I would like to pull certain cards. It's a beautiful place, Utopia. Okay, you all must be wondering, I have seen it. No, I have not seen it. I've just heard about it. But can you see here? There are fishes which are jumping out. There is a crystal. So I feel abundance is going to come in your life. Happiness is going to come in your life. Today is a day of bliss. Today is a day of happiness. Today is the day where you will feel, wow, wish every day was this. I would love to pull one more card. Throat portal. Open your throat today. Don't suppress your feelings. If you feel today is a day of bliss, then open up and speak. Let the universe know. Let your family members know. Let the world know what you want to speak. Today is the day where the universe is saying, if there are issues which are not getting resolved, then openly speak, and even those issues will get resolved. Even those things will start working in your favor. So if there's something which is hurting you, upsetting you, please speak. Now let's see abundance card. Okay, see, so basically even here there is a star. If you see here, there is a Merkaba. So somewhere the divine is ready to guide you today. The divine is saying, just go with the flow, trust me, and things will definitely happen for you. Trust me, and you are going to achieve what you want to achieve. Okay, so that's about the card 1. Now let's see what is cards 2. Start your day with this. I am connected to the earth and all life around me. I repeat, I am connected to the earth and all life around me. Let's see. Wow. Fearlessness, removing obstacles. So today you are this fierce, you're this person on the fierce horse. You're going to remove all your obstacles today. You're going to just march forward or jump forward or leap forward or just move forward with victory. It's a victorious day. It's a bright day because I can see the sun. An energetic day, a bright day, victorious day, and everything is going to go in your favor. You're going to just enjoy the day. You're going to just say, even you are going to say, wish every day was like this. Now let's see what's the next card. It's a beautiful card again. Did you see here? This was the card where there was a lady, and again this is the card where there is a lady. Both are looking out somewhere. Can you see? Both are looking out somewhere. So maybe the divine is asking you to look out. Say a prayer today in gratitude because the divine has been taking care of you, and even today the divine is going to give you everything best. So just take a couple of minutes out and say, thank you God, thank you angels, thank you divine, thank you universe, thank you ancestors, thank you my parents, thank you everyone in this world who has been the cause for me to move forward in life and the cause for me for what I am today. So just thank the universe, give gratitude to everyone whom you know, and you see how life is going to be for you. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.